Authorities arrested a Dallas police officer on manslaughter warrant. She is accused of shooting and killing a man in his own apartment Thursday night. WHNT News 19's Olivia Whitmire is in the newsroom with the latest. Olivia, what can you tell us about this case?
Kristen, this is a case that Dallas Police Chief Renee Hall described as having more questions than answers, but here's what we know so far. Dallas police have arrested Officer Amber Geiger, who was off duty and entered the wrong apartment, thinking it was her own, and then shot and killed 26-year-old Botham Jean. The Texas Department of Public Safety said in a news release Sunday night that Officer Geiger is booked in jail as their investigation goes on. Now, earlier today, I sat down with Huntsville Defense Attorney Russell Crumbley to hear his thoughts on the case and to hear how Alabama law would work if a similar situation happened here. Crumbley says Officer Geiger's job could be in jeopardy no matter what the outcome is. He acknowledges everything is very dependent on what the investigation shows, but in Alabama, charges that could come out of a case like this include criminally negligent homicide, manslaughter, and murder. But with murder, prosecutors would need to believe that there was intent to kill, a move that Crumbley expected and has already been made in the case in Texas, calling in another department for an element of transparency.
A next door neighbor city or a next door neighbor county, they can have a different investigative team other than their own come in and conduct the investigation to avoid the appearance of a conflict of interest, which is, that happens actually. Here in North Alabama where I practice, I've seen that many times.
The Texas Rangers are now investigating this case. Crumbley also said that it's important to remember that an investigation like this could take a little longer than some people might hope. He knows that people are going to want answers as soon as possible, but in order to get all the facts straight in such a complex case, investigators need to take their time. In the newsroom, Olivia Whitmire, WHNT News 19.